Winter has finally come to an end, and the temperature is slowly becoming bearable again. With the pleasant warm weather comes all the things I associate with spring: pollen allergies and itchy eyes, sunlight, green leaves, flowers timidly reappearing, and the friendly faces of birds returning from their winter homes. That's why for the month of May, I decided to draw songbirds, to continue the one illustration theme per month challenge I've been working on this year. Like always, I began the process by doing research. I consulted Google Images to learn what I could about all the shapes, sizes, poses, and colors different genres of birds can come in. To really absorb the material, I studied by sketching the references. Then, I did some sketches from imagination, using the characteristics and poses I found most amusing. For this series of drawings, I decided to go with a looser style because I felt like it matched the subject. So I threw down colors that I liked and observed from the references using a charcoal brush and added details with a pen brush. Here are the final images. If you find these birds as amusing as I do, you can buy stickers and such if you follow the link to my Redbubble in the description. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing for more videos about drawing and animation. I plan to draw paper cranes next month, so you won't want to miss it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.